Organic chemistry is cooked, but I was still able to get 97 as my internal mark and come first, and also get these results in past papers. I got to the point where organic chem was actually my strongest topic. It sounds crazy, but it was. So here's exactly how I did it. Number one, I'm always going to say this, memorize everything with Anki. I used my organic chemistry deck to remember all catalysts, all reactions, all reagents, all conditions, every single mechanism in organic chemistry. A little treat from me, if you want my organic chem deck, literally follow me. You have to follow me first so I can send it through, and just comment chem down below and you can have my deck for completely free. Number two, teach yourself with Science Ready. Science Ready is literally a free website that no one uses. It's based off the New South Wales syllabus, but if you're in another state, you can still use it. Let's be real. Most teachers suck in general, but they definitely suck at explaining organic chem. Like so many teachers just aren't good enough. I was lucky that I had some good teachers, but some of you don't have any good teachers. Find something that works for you, but Science Ready is probably the best resource you can use. Number three, please use this list to understand the easiest stuff first and the harder stuff later. You need to know the fundamentals so that you can actually do the hard questions. Firstly, you need to understand functional groups and nomenclature. Learn how to name compounds properly with the UPAC rules. You need to master alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alcohols, ketones, aldehydes, carboxylic acids, esters, amines, amides, etc. There's so many more I've probably forgotten. Second, understand isomers and structural representation. Structural isomers, geometric isomers, and also optical isomers. Some states don't do isomers like geometric and cis-trans isomers, but some of you do. So if you do, make sure you understand it. Also, understand stereochemistry, Fisher projections, Newman projections, if it's in your syllabus. Now, third, understand the reactivity trends. Some of you are going to learn about electrophiles and nucleophiles. Please understand resonances, inductive effects, and also relative charges. Number four, and the most important thing. Now that you understand those three things and the three fundamentals, you need to understand reaction mechanisms. These are the ones I can think of. I've got a list here because otherwise I'm going to forget. They're substitution, elimination, addition with electrophilic and nucleophilic reactions, oxidation, reduction, redox reactions are crucial, condensation, and then hydrolysis as well. Now, for each of these reactions, you need to understand the synthesis and the planning of the reactions. To understand the reaction pathways, you need to be able to convert one functional group to another in the most efficient way. For example, you need to know exactly how an alkane will go to an alcohol, and that goes to a ketone, and then that goes to carboxylic acid. You need to know how that works. You need to understand the oxidation process. The best thing to do is use the traffic light system, so please rate yourself red for hopeless, orange for in the middle, and green for great for all the organic chemistry topics. Then just use past papers, Anki question decks, Anki for theory. Please use past papers, a lot of practice questions. And then every time you get a question wrong, use Anki, review daily, and put everything in the traffic light system as well every week. Once again, if you want my organic chemistry Anki deck, follow me. You need to follow me first before I can send it to you. Then comment chem, and I'll send it to you for completely free.